This meeting is called within the walls of Malacanang Palace to show that President Duterte is giving his 100% support to the country's hosting of the 30th Southeast Asian Games. Pati ho yung MC from the Office of the President, pati kayong choir, Office of the President. Full support to ang Presidente sa Philippine Sports. Hindi kagaya ng minumungkahi ng iba na wala daw po kaming otoridad mag-issue ng kung ano-anong order. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan, puro tirada lang, wala namang binibigay na suporta para sa bayan. Hinahamon ko yung mga may ingay, magpakita kayo ng tinulong ninyo para sa sports at sa mamayang Pilipino. I am confident PISGOC, together with Philippine Sports Commission and Philippine Sports Committee, will be able to bring this year's Southeast Asian Games to its outstanding fruition. This is not a call for the support of one organization, but a call of support for the Filipino pride. International Scrabble. International squabbles organization should be set aside. The preparation for the hosting and the training of our athletes should be at the forefront of everyone's mind. We call on all NSAs to support the hosting of the 30th Southeast Asian Games, loyal and true only to the Filipino athletes and love for our sports. Our Filipino athletes have given so much for our country. The grueling hours spent for training, ang timbang pawis at luha, the dedication needed to be in tip-top form, and the time spent away from loved ones are just some of the many sacrifices which our athletes endure to bring pride and honor to our country. These sacrifices may seem little, especially for those who have never been into sports. I myself have dipped my toes in sports in my younger days, and I tell you, iba ang hirap na maging atleta. I feel for our athletes and I am one with you in this endeavor. Para ito sa yabang at dignidad ng bawat Pilipino, tandaan ninyo, sa bawat achievement ng isang Pinoy sa international event, tumataas ng konti ang noo ng buong mamamayang Pilipino. Driven by our love for our country, let us move forward and get this done our way. The way where unity is the core and the betterment of the welfare of the Philippine sports and our Filipino athletes are the goals. Maraming salamat, mabuhay ang palaro at atletang Pilipino. Sport lang po.